Here I have ALCATEL 1SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you will have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds, just like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Alcatel logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. So here at the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.